So whether you have a small balcony or a sprawling backyard, these tips will help you avoid those design hiccups and actually dramatically enhance the ambiance and functionality of your outdoor space. Don't settle for staring at a blank wall or a fence. Hello, welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Dia, and today I am tapping into my over 25 years of experience in interior design and home improvement to guide you through the world of outdoor living. I'm tackling some common outdoor design mistakes and how to fix them. So whether you have a small balcony or a sprawling backyard, these tips will help you avoid those design hiccups so you can create that outdoor oasis that you've always wanted. So let's dive in. The biggest mistake I see is not planning your outdoor project. First things first, assess the size and the layout so you can decide how to best utilize what you have. Take stock of every nook and cranny to determine how you can best utilize the area and create an awesome outdoor living space. Treat your outdoor design the same way you would treat your interiors. Make a list of your must-haves and your nice-to-have. Measure the space, gather inspiration from Pinterest or magazines, create a mood board, and plan out your purchases accordingly. Next is not taking into consideration nature's elements. Sun protection is key to enjoying your outdoor space comfortably. Identify areas with natural shade, or consider adding structures like an umbrella or pergola to create shaded retreats. Ensure everyone has a cool spot to relax, even on the hottest days. Also, if your area gets windy, consider installing latticework or a wood slat wall so you can enjoy the outdoors and the warmer weather without getting blown away. Another common mistake I see is overcrowding. It's easy to get carried away with outdoor furniture, but overcrowding a space can make it feel cluttered and cramped. Prioritize quality over quantity and select pieces that provide ample seating without overwhelming the area. Remember, open space is just as important as sitting space. And since we're talking about outdoor furniture, one of the biggest mistakes I see is not considering functionality. Sure, those trendy chairs may look great, but are they comfortable? Can you actually relax in them? Always prioritize comfort and usability in your outdoor design. All too many times, I see spaces that are mismatched with a hodgepodge of furniture and garden accessories. Cohesion is key in outdoor design. Color coordination can tie your outdoor space together and create a harmonious look. Take cues from your indoor decor and select outdoor furniture and accessories that complement your existing color scheme. Don't be afraid to mix and match textures and patterns to add visual interest, but stick to a specific color palette. Outdoor lighting is often an afterthought, but it can actually dramatically enhance the ambiance and functionality of your outdoor space. Explore a mix of lighting options, including overhead light fixtures, pathway and landscape lights, and string lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere after dark. Another mistake I see is not bringing nature closer to where you're sitting. Plants are nature's ornaments and can breathe life to your outdoor sitting area. Even if you have a garden, Incorporate a variety of potted plants, flowers, and greenery closer to your sitting area to add color, texture, and enhance the overall experience of being outside. Lastly, one of the biggest mistakes I see is not considering your view. When you're sitting there, what are you looking at? Don't settle for staring at a blank wall or a fence. Even if you don't have a picturesque view or a garden backdrop, you can create your own stunning view. Consider planting vines or a row of shrubs against a boring-looking fence. Or get creative with DIY projects like vertical gardens, trellises, or hanging artwork to add visual interest and personality to your outdoor space. Turn those blank walls into focal points and transform dull corners into inviting retreats. So, by avoiding these common mistakes, you can create a beautiful and functional outdoor space that you will love spending time in. Remember to prioritize functionality, avoid overcrowding, strive for cohesion, incorporate proper lighting, bring nature closer with plants, and don't forget to create a view if you don't have one. Let me know in the comments below what outdoor mistakes you've come across. I hope I've inspired you to create a serene oasis for outdoor relaxation. If you liked this video, you may enjoy watching these too. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.